Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're diving into a super useful trick, how to watch US Netflix on your Mac. It's easier than you think. First things first, you'll need a VPN on your Mac. Head over to your favorite web browser and search for a VPN. For this tutorial, we'll be using IPVanish. I've got a link for you in the description and the pinned comment where you can grab it. To download, hover over apps on their website, click on the Mac option, and then hit Download App. Choose where to save the installer. I'm putting mine on the desktop for easy access. Once downloaded, open the installer. Drag and drop the IPVanish logo into your Applications folder. This might take a few moments depending on your Mac's speed. After it's installed, close the installer. Feel free to delete it from your desktop if you want to keep things tidy. Now, let's open IPVanish. I'm using Launchpad. Since it's the first time, you'll get a prompt. Click Open. You'll be taken to the login screen. Enter your account details to log in. Don't have an IPVanish account yet? No worries. Use the link in the description or pinned comment to snag a significant discount. The first time you log in, you'll be asked to create a VPN configuration. Just click Allow. Alright, you can now use the VPN like normal, but we're aiming for US Netflix, so open your web browser and go to Netflix. Sign in and choose your profile. Heads up, I found Chrome works better for this than Safari. Once you're logged into Netflix, minimize your browser. Now, open the IPVanish app. On the left-hand side, click Locations, and then select a US server. There are tons to choose from, so pick the one closest to you. For me, it's Boston since I'm on the East Coast. Give it a few seconds to connect. Once connected, it's like you're browsing the internet from the US. Minimize the VPN, go back to your web browser, and refresh the Netflix page. You should notice the content changes. It'll show top 10 TV programs in the US today, or similar. Now, pick a show and start watching. You're enjoying US Netflix. And that's all there is to it. Don't forget to use the link in the description or pinned comment for an exclusive discount on IPVanish. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Also, consider subscribing for more awesome tips and tricks. Keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience and things might change in the future. All the links mentioned are in the description below. Happy streaming!